Welcome back to The Recruiter Talk. Today, we have a topic that can make a significant impact on your career. Salary Negotiations Demystified. Learn from The Recruiter Talk. Negotiating your salary can be a nerve-wracking experience, but it's a crucial skill that can help you secure the compensation you deserve. Whether you're starting a new job or aiming for a raise, understanding the art of salary negotiations is essential. So, if you're ready to take control of your earning potential, hit that subscribe button and get ready to learn from the experts. Let's dive in. Salary negotiations are a critical part of your professional journey, and we're here to demystify the process and equip you with the tools to negotiate like a pro. Let's explore some key strategies and insights that will help you navigate salary discussions with confidence. 1. Know your worth. Before entering negotiations, research industry standards and salary ranges for your position and location. Understand your market value based on your skills, experience, and qualifications. Armed with this information, you'll have a solid foundation for your negotiation. 2. Highlight your achievements. During negotiations, confidently communicate your accomplishments and contributions to the company. Showcase how your skills have positively impacted projects and outcomes. Demonstrating your value will strengthen your position and justify your desired salary. 3. Practice active listening. Effective negotiations require active listening. Understand the employer's needs and concerns, and address them thoughtfully. Show that you're receptive to their perspective, and be prepared to find mutually beneficial solutions. 4. Be clear and specific. Clearly articulate your salary expectations, and be specific about the compensation package you desire. Include not only the base salary but also benefits, bonuses, and other perks that are important to you. 5. Timing matters. Choose the right moment for salary discussions. Initiate the conversation after receiving a job offer or during performance reviews. Avoid discussing salary too early in the interview process, as it may send the wrong message. 6. Be ready to negotiate. Be prepared for counteroffers and be flexible in your approach. Consider other elements of the job package that may be negotiable if the employer is unable to meet your salary expectations. 7. Express gratitude. Regardless of the outcome, always express gratitude for the opportunity to discuss salary. Maintain professionalism and leave a positive impression, regardless of whether you reach an agreement. Congratulations! You've now unlocked the secrets of successful salary negotiations, thanks to The Recruiter Talk. Remember, negotiating your salary is a skill that improves with practice, so don't be afraid to use these strategies in your future career moves. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and colleagues looking to master salary negotiations. And of course, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest career insights. Thank you for joining us today. Best of luck in your salary negotiations, and we'll see you in the next episode of The Recruiter Talk.